Hi, my name is Enrico and I'm the Product Marketing Manager here at Ferrino. We are beyond excited to have you here and can't wait to introduce you to our new Instinct range. Definitely our top of the shelf product for the mountaineering and ski mountaineering category. As you can see, these backpacks were designed in 3 different volume sizes. A 30-liter version, an intermediate 40-liter, and all the way up to the 65. The 2 small ones offer an extra load space of 5 liters just by keeping the top unfolded, while the bigger version extension offers an additional 15 liters. The focus here was all about maximizing performance out of the product, reason why we have decided to use Dyneema Composite Fabric, Cordura double diamond shoulder straps, SuperFabric material on the front and on the bottom part of the bag. All of this to offer an optimal strength to lightweight ratio. Thanks to this material composition, we managed to keep weights at 690 grams for the smaller version, 770 for the intermediate, and just 1 kilo 10 for the 65-liter version. This is our hollow bag system. It's an ultra-breathable back and waist belt combination of pre-formed padding with vent channels that allow an optimal breathability. The waist belt is removable in all 3 bags. The backpack features 2 additional pockets, one on the upper part of the bag and the other on the waist belt. The 40 and 65-liter version also include a front zip to facilitate access. All of the range is compatible with double ice axe holder, lateral ski holders, rope, additional removable straps for extra material carry, snowshoes, snowboard, sleeping mats, etc. Crampon, ski and split board holder. And of course, it's H2O compatible. So this is our new Instinct range. We hope you liked it and see you out there.